Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. Obviously, we're retracing. Um, we're gonna, you know, the we could possibly hit the 15, and then maybe go back to the ones. I know that's not a popular opinion, but honestly, I don't care because that's what I believe, and it is possible. I'm not saying it's gonna go down there. I'm saying that if RSI completely resets, we might hit between the 1 and the 15 if the 15 doesn't hold. So just keep that in mind. And other than that, I mean, the targets still haven't changed. You still want to take your fib from here to the low. And as you can see, we are still under the 19. We are still under the 2, which we kind of held, but then we like broke under. So at this point, your guess is better than mine. I don't think, like, the problem is that, like, usually we would probably go back down here and then bounce. But I just don't think we're gonna hit. I don't think we're gonna hit this area. I don't think it's gonna retrace that much. And if it does, then this thing's gonna be like right here, like way in the red. The RSI, the stock RSI is completely reset, so it's just a matter of time before we get some sort of bounce. I do expect us to go up and retest the 236 support, but your guess again, any of those possibilities are likely to happen. So we could keep falling. We could hit the 15, 16 in this area and then bounce, or we could just go sideways, or we just really need to hit these targets, which is getting above 20, because then the next target is 26. Once we hit over 26, then obviously 618 retracement. But after that, then I can kind of take. Then I can kind of do a macro. You just delete all this. Then I can kind of do it from here, and then say there's 618 retracement is in play at 8.3, so at the 8, which is my long-term target anyway for 2024. I do think that we will get something like this, right? That would put us at the 8, between the 1 and the 8, which is a little bit over like 800 million market cap. Fully diluted will be 1.6 billion. I think that's in play, but again, that's where I think it's going to go. I really think it's going to be between the 5 and the 8 sometime next year. And then we're going to get our big bull run to hopefully 10x that, which would put us at between 5 to 10 billion dollar market cap. Those are my targets, but again, these charts don't lie. Obviously, this doesn't lie. We have been bleeding. We have to take that into consideration. This would be a good time to accumulate, man. Because look, guys, like we're in the bottom half of the RSI being over, so stock RSI is completely reset. Like, if this thing goes any lower, I'm tempted to buy it, but I mean, I already have, some people might argue 16 billion coins isn't enough, but I think it's fine. I think if you hold 16 billion tokens and it goes, 100x, that's $300,000, 300,000. I'm fine with that. So again, this is crazy. I don't think it's going to come back down these low. I do think we're going to get a recovery bounce. But again, I think it'll happen sometime in Q1 of 2024. So we might even slow bleed until then. Another thing I want to show you, which obviously this is really important. Let's see. I want to look at the holders. And let's look at Binance. Binance still has, I think they haven't added any more tokens. No, they haven't. So it's still 9 days ago. It's fine. We'll keep an eye on it. And yeah, the holders is obviously going up. We have 146,000 holders, 1.1 million total transfers. Keep that in mind. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'll make an update video as soon as it decides to either get it back above the 2, or if it just decides to pop on out of here and retest the 5 before it retests the 8. And then after that, like, we're just going back to the all-time highs. On whether it's going like this and then retracing, or whether it's just going, retracing, and then taking the next leg up, which would be absolutely insane, which is actually what we're all waiting for. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support.